Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add contact form on your Google Sites website. So for example, I'm here on my website now, and when you open it up, you first want to create a new page. So you're going to go ahead right there in the right, and you're going to click pages, and you're going to click this plus sign and add a new page, and you're going to write down contact us, for example. Then you're gonna click done, and now you want to create a page, so edit everything and so on, and add a form right there at the bottom. So to create a contact form, you will need to use Google Forms, because you actually can insert them here. So first of all, you're gonna go to docs.google.com/forms, and you're gonna go ahead to this page. Now you want to create a contact information form. So for the sake of this video, I'm just gonna click on this one. I'm sure you're gonna see this template here, so you can use it too. And you can edit it right here by clicking on this and editing the questions. So let's write down contact us. So for example, let's delete it, or maybe let's leave a name, email, and let's delete the address. We don't need it. Now email, we don't need a phone number from anyone, and the comments. So for example, if they want to leave us a message, so your message, and let's make it, you can make it required or not. So of course, for the email, you want to make it required. Yeah, we can leave name too. And the message, let's make it required also. Now you can also choose your message to be like a paragraph, short answer. So let's leave it like so for the sake of this video. Now we want to edit the color. So right there, customize theme, you're gonna click on that, and you can choose the color you want. So for example, let's make it blue, and the background, let's make it gray. Now, as you can see, right there is a blue color too. So let's make it like so. Now you want to save it, or it will automatically save it for you. Let's go to Google Forms Home. As you can see, it's now right there. And now you're gonna go back to Google Sites, and you're gonna go ahead to insert. You're gonna scroll down until you see Forms. And as you can see right there, you can gonna click on that contact information we just edited, and you're gonna click insert, and it should load up like so. So now we can make it in the middle and do it like so. Something like that. So basically that's it, guys. That's how you edit. That's how you add a contact form to your site. So if this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.